Hey guys, today we're going to be installing this really budget under desk drawer mount. It looks like it's going to be super simple. We just have two rails that we need to mount to the bottom of the desk, and then this is going to slide right on. Comes with just a small pack of screws here. And lastly, we need to screw on the handle right here. So let's get into it. We'll install it and see if it's worth your time. All right, so this is where I'm going to be installing it. And I'm thinking I'm probably just going to install the skates onto it already, and then that way I can easily, I don't have to like measure how far apart to put both of them because they're already mounted to the thing. So let's see if I can easily get these slid on here. There we go. And it does feel like it has a little bit of like soft close maybe, which is really nice. And let's install this one too. There we go. All right, so both sides are installed. I'm not super picky on where this is going to go, but I do just want to make sure that it's basically flush when you include this little handle here. I definitely don't want it to be sticking out. So we're just going to go ahead and one thing to note too is it does have holes right here to run cables out the back, which is really nice. So I'm just going to eyeball it right here on where I want it. It should be good. Right there. This would certainly be easier with two people, but what I can do is get one screw in and then adjust it from there. Okay, that's perfect right there. So let's put one more screw in and then it'll be easy to get the other two. And then the last step, we just need to install the handle. And there we have a nice new pull-out drawer where I can put all kinds of different recording stuff and then hide it nice and back behind here. It's nice and shallow too, so it doesn't hit my leg or anything like that. I will probably get a little insert mat right here, but otherwise, this is a great budget way to get a pull-out drawer on your desk, guys. So I will have links down below. Definitely check it out.
Did you know there's an easy way to get discount codes for most products on Amazon? I created a website, moderndeals.net, that has thousands of daily discount codes for Amazon. Let's take, for example, this hairdryer. Click the item on my site. The coupon will auto-apply. Click Add to Cart, and there you go. The price dropped down to the discounted price. There's thousands of active codes every single day. You can also search for individual items, for example, a dash cam, and it'll show all the active codes for dash cams that day. I'll have a link to my discount site in the description and the pinned comment. Be sure to check it out and bookmark, and let's get back to the video.